Hey guys, RTT back here for another video. Guys, today we're taking a look at Office on the Galaxy Fold 3. How does it compare to the Surface Duo, which again I've said many times is my personal favorite phone when it comes to using any kind of Office applications. How does it compare to the Surface Duo? All that kind of good stuff. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So many times in my videos I have mentioned the fact I am a full-time college student. So the ability to have dual displays like we saw on the Surface Duo and having it all times, being able to open it up and I have, one screen I have Word on, the other screen I of course have my, article I'm researching on for a paper, is an absolute delight. And I've said many times that the Surface Duo is my personal go-to when it comes to having like a laptop in your pocket. But this Galaxy Fold 3 with more power under its belt, outer display, better camera setup, overall a lot more to offer. Is it same, similar, or is it completely different than the Surface Duo? So starting off right away, this is something the Surface Duo does not have, which I do like, and I will give credit to the Galaxy Fold 3. And this is, of course, an outer display. Now, the outer display doesn't really give you too much to work with. You're not going to be typing up papers too much on the outer display. While you actually can, I will definitely say, if you go ahead and open up a Word document right here, you can go ahead and actually type up a paper here. It is really hard to use the outer display keyboard. It's very small and compacted together, as you guys can see. So if you are going to be typing up a paper, it's probably not going to be in your best interest to do it like this, especially because you guys can see how small the text is. Let me go ahead and show you guys this. Yeah, the text is very, very small. Now, if you go ahead and put this horizontally, it even gets worse. Well, kind of worse, but also better at the same time. It's kind of that mixed bag because, yes, you can see it a little bit better, but at the same time, it's just really awkward to hold and utilize. Again, most people are going ahead and doing this won't be using that, 6.2-inch out display, the type of papers. What it does give you, though, is the ability to see if any of your papers, like, for example, if you're proofreading any of your papers, you can quickly click on one, your Excel documents, your Word documents, your PowerPoints, whatever. Click on one, check it real fast. Say you're about to go to class, you have it right on the outer display here. If you need to send a file, you can do it without opening up your phone. I do like that compared to Surface Duo, where you do have to go ahead and open up your phone and actually utilize the inner display and all that kind of stuff and have the gigantic display. Of course, Surface Duo, though, does give you the ability to do like that. Bam, phone mode, which I do like a lot. Nonetheless, though, let's go ahead and now open it up and take a look at the inner display of the Galaxy Fold 3. And this is when we, of course, do get into the betterness of what we can actually go ahead and expect from this phone for Office. So now we go ahead and open this up. This is when we get, actually, like I said before, a more realistic look at what we're actually going to be looking at. So we're going to open up the same Word document as we did on the outer display. On the inner display, you go ahead and click on this. We can see now we have what would look more or less like an actual Word document. We can start typing and start utilizing to go ahead and write a paper, whatever we're doing, PowerPoint, Excel, all that kind of good stuff. Now, the cool thing about the Galaxy Fold 3 is that if we go ahead and put this, in horizontal mode, the same concept applies. And I actually like typing on this better than I do on the Surface Duo, especially in this mode right here. Now, both Surface Duo and the Galaxy Fold 3 does go ahead and support the utilization of using a wireless mouse and keyboard. So if you want to go ahead and use a wireless mouse and keyboard and use these as laptops, you can go ahead and do that. But when it comes to strictly having this on you at all times, say you're going to class, you're in college, going from class to class, having the ability to have it like this is very, very nice. Now, if we go ahead and bend this real fast, you can see that the same concept does apply. So I'm going to show you guys like this. You can go ahead and, obviously bend the screen, start typing like that. Bam, all that kind of great stuff, which is really cool. Again, like I said, it's not really much different than what we have right here on the display as it is. If we go and do vertical mode, same concept applies. So let's go ahead and do that. If I go ahead and bend it, not much will change. It will just be, different if you do it in horizontal mode. I like it. Personally speaking, if I'm going to be typing a paper, I like to use these phones in more laptop mode than using it in like just this mode, just because it's a lot to handle at one time. Nonetheless, though, I will say, The biggest thing about the Surface Duo I do like a lot is the ability to have two different displays. One display for a Word document, one display for a Google Chrome article. Now, you can go ahead and pin a Google Chrome document to, or Google Chrome tab to this display. You can have half of it be a Google Chrome display of you going ahead and looking at an article, and the other half being a Word document. But I will say it looks absolutely ugly and disgusting because of the size of this display. This is a 7.6 inch display across the board here. And because of that, if you go ahead and separate half the screens, you're not going to get really much to work with when it comes to keyboard, when it comes to utilizing, Word documents while having that, up at the same time. So I will say, if you are using this phone, I recommend not going ahead and splitting your displays to use a research a document while typing up a paper. If you are using this phone, it makes it a breeze. Obviously, you have this gigantic display here, gigantic display here, and you can go ahead and do both at the same time. Nonetheless, though, let's go ahead and take a look at Excel, and also, of course, take a look at let's go. We're going to take a look at PowerPoint. So for Excel, if we go ahead and pull that up, this is actually a NFL document here. I'm going to show too much off of it because it's actually a Patreon thing I bought. But you guys can see that it does give you the full access to Excel, just like you would normally, no issue at all. You can go ahead and edit Excel, add things, go ahead and create your own Excel sheets. Go ahead and do whatever you need to do, which is really, really cool. And I will say, overall, on the Surface Duo, it is not as good as it is on the Galaxy Fold 3. After doing a couple Excel sheets on this, I like it a lot better on the Galaxy Fold 3 than I do on the Surface Duo, which is very surprisingly enough, I will say. But at the same time, though, it is very nice how everything flows consistently together. You can easily start going ahead and creating whatever you want. Excel sheet-wise, you guys can see right here, it looks absolutely beautiful. When you bend it, doesn't really do anything. But when you have it just in that horizontal mode, I absolutely love it. So now for PowerPoint, let's go ahead and get out of this one. Let's go ahead and open up PowerPoint. So as you guys can see right here, we got choose pictures or blank presentation. We're going to do blank presentation. And just like, before with Excel, very fluent, very nice how this is set up. And you can go ahead and just start quickly typing away, quickly starting off your presentation, whatever you're doing. Add pictures, add files, add media. It works so fluently. Just such a beautiful design, especially with this out of display, utilizing it for, like I said, Word documents, Excel documents, or PowerPoint. So overall, I will say I absolutely do adore having the Galaxy Fold 3 for Office. Like I said before, I do like the Surface Duo better for Word documents, just because I can have the research paper up at the same time as going ahead and having, this on my phone. But I will say there is a novelty and a, bonus of having the ability to have one complete display rather than having two different displays. I will say I do, in a way, like having one complete display rather than two separate displays with a hinge down the middle that gets in the way of things and just makes it a little bit more difficult to do certain things. But overall, like I said, both these phones are great for Office. So either way, if you do have the Surface Duo or you do pick up the Galaxy Fold 3, you're not going to be upset in any way. Of course, the price tags being $1,800 and $600. Depending on what you think is best, go ahead and make your decision. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, though, hit the like, comment down below. I'm going to go ahead and give the Galaxy Fold 3 using Office a solid 9 out of 10. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.